Alright. This is my speed run on the Rubik's Cube. Let's see, first I'll pick out the side. This side looks good, already have 2 pieces in there. Alright, I think I'm ready. Okay, timer starting now. Got really lucky in this one. Alright, that was 1 minute and 27 seconds. I got extremely lucky. If you guys watch my tutorials, I basically like skipped every single step of the 3rd layer. So yeah, 1 minute 27 seconds. That's how fast you'll be able to solve it if you get lucky. And on average, maybe 2 or 3 minutes if you follow my technique. Yes, that was my speedrun. Hopefully if you followed my tutorials, you should have seen that and had a pretty good idea of what I was doing, or sort of been able to follow along the steps. And if you're interested in seeing the tutorials, figure out how to solve it at this rate, you can go watch my tutorials, and if you practice, you should be able to get there. Like I say in the tutorials, this isn't the best method. This is the method I figured out, so it's not very efficient, but that's the method I use. So that's all. If you're interested in seeing more tutorials, check out my channel. I got a lot more there, or I've got a lot more tutorials there. And other than that, I guess I'll see you guys next time.